Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your tax organizer with Evernote for 2026 filings. Full guide. Open Evernote on your device. Create a new notebook specifically for your tax organizer. Name the notebook 2026 Tax Organizer. Start a new note within this notebook. Label the note Tax Documents Checklist. In this note, list all necessary documents needed. Include items like W-2s, 1099s, and previous tax returns. Scan physical documents using the Evernote mobile app. Attach these scans directly to your notes for easy access later. Utilize the tagging feature for improved organization. Consider using tags like income, deductions, and receipts. Create separate notes for each category of documents. For instance, a note for deductions and another for income sources. Add any important deadlines for tax filing to your notes. Use reminders within Evernote to alert yourself of these deadlines. As you receive new documents, update your notes immediately. Organize your notes in order of importance or chronological order. Review your tax organizer regularly to ensure nothing is missing. Export your notes as needed for easy sharing with your accountant. Consider creating a backup of your notebook in a different location. Keep your digital tax organizer secure with a strong password. Regularly check for software updates to keep tools running smoothly. Stay consistent with the organization throughout the year for less stress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.